Welcome to Clever Mum. Cooking together as a family is more than just making a meal. It's an opportunity for bonding, teaching life skills, and sparking creativity in your little ones. In this video, we'll explore how to get your kids involved in the kitchen in a way that's safe, educational, and enjoyable for everyone. Whether they're tearing lettuce for a salad or mastering kid-safe chopping techniques, even the smallest tasks can inspire and empower your children. Now, why is cooking with your kids so important? Why bother involving kids in a task adults can do faster? It's simple. Cooking fosters independence, builds confidence, teaches essential skills like math and reading through measuring and following recipes, and helps nurture lifelong healthy habits. Plus, it's a fantastic way to encourage picky eaters to try new foods. Imagine this, you're not just preparing dinner, you're helping your little ones grow. Start by considering your kids' age, interests, and abilities. They don't need to be mini top chefs to contribute meaningfully in the kitchen. Tailoring tasks to their level makes participation clear and exciting. Let's try a quick interactive moment together. Think about your favorite food as a kid. Got it? Now, imagine if you had been the one to make it yourself. How exciting would that have been? Let's explore how you can create that same joy and excitement for your kids today. We'll start with the basics, keeping it simple. For younger children, it could be as easy as washing fruits and vegetables, stirring ingredients, or tearing lettuce. Activities that are fun and easy to manage. You can even relate these tasks to things they may already enjoy, like playing with Play-Doh or sorting objects. For older kids, you can up the difficulty just a bit. They could learn to measure ingredients with measuring cups, crack eggs, or even use kid-safe utensils designed especially for little hands. These activities aren't just about cooking, they double as ways to teach essential skills like hand-eye coordination and basic math. The important thing here is that these moments in the kitchen aren't overwhelming. Start with what feels doable, the small age-appropriate steps that create positive momentum. By making it simple and keeping the pressure low, you're building a foundation for confidence and future growth right from the start. Cooking doesn't have to be a chore. It's a chance to involve everyone in the family, no matter their age or skill level. And once you've gotten comfortable here, you'll see just how much potential there is to grow together in the kitchen. Once you've explored the joys of cooking together, don't forget the many opportunities it presents for learning. Take a moment to share where ingredients come from, like explaining that carrots grow underground or that wheat is transformed into flour. Understanding food on this level not only teaches kids about the world, but also reinforces the importance of healthy eating. You can also sprinkle in science lessons along the way. Imagine showing your kids why yeast makes bread rise, or how a simple mix of vinegar and baking soda can act as a natural cleaning agent. These real-world connections keep the curiosity alive and make the kitchen a classroom filled with wonder. Next, ensure your space is safe and inviting. A kid-friendly cooking area can make a world of difference. Kid-sized aprons, utensils, and a sturdy stool to help them reach the countertop all make the experience more comfortable and secure. Keep sharp or hot items out of reach and designate a special workspace just for them. This setup fosters independence while prioritizing safety. Finally, let's talk about the joy of celebrating the outcome. Yes, the kitchen will probably get messy, but that's okay. It's part of the learning process. Praise your kids' effort, regardless of how the dish turns out. When you sit down as a family to enjoy the fruits of your labor, it becomes more than just a meal. It's a moment of accomplishment and belonging. Every dish, no matter how simple, is an opportunity to build confidence and encourage creativity. So here's your challenge. What will you and your kids cook together this week? Share your ideas in the comments below. And before you go, be sure to check out our upcoming video, Simple Recipes Your Kids Will Love to Make, for even more inspiration on your family kitchen adventures. Thanks for watching Clever Mom, and happy cooking.